Welcome back guys to my new video. Today I'm just going to show you the best shortcut, or we can say the tricks of Windows File Explorer. Yes, these are very important tricks. You must know them. So what I'm going to tell you, like see we can say about these like first only when we just open this File Explorer, it open in home, but we need that it's open in this PC. So I'm going to tell you how you can do that. And else what I'm going to tell you, that this tab, like this is the default download folder which is in local disk C, and this is my own created downloads folder which having this type of filters you can see. So how to create that, I'm going, and how to just change the icon of any folder, I'm going to tell you, and lot many more tricks. So let's start the video without wasting time after the intro. So you had seen the intro, just skip that. Now we have these things. Now it just open in home, but what we need to open in this PC, like this interface we need. No one like this thing. I guarantee. I bet with you. So firstly, you just need to do it. Click here and then click on options. After clicking on the options, you will see this type of interface. Here, open File Explorer 2. It will be home. Just click over here and then choose this PC. Now, just keep all the things like this only, and just do click on apply and then do click on OK. Now, when you open your File Explorer, it will open in this PC. Yes, you seen correctly. Now, for next trick, I am just gonna to tell you the some things to know about this File Explorer, because that are important. That is this tab, this bar, this ribbon we can say about that. So, like if I just go to files in my coding folder, like this cloud storage folder. Okay, just click on this cloud storage folder. Now this is new, means we can create a new folder over here. Not only new folder, there's many things like WinArchive, and then this like if I just select it, there's a cut that the shortcut key of it is control plus X, you know it. And next is copy, control plus C. Next is paste, control plus V. And next is rename, we can say it F2. Next is share, means we can share it to a cloud, that is OneDrive of Microsoft. Then is delete, the shortcut key of it's delete key in the keyboard. And if you just need to permanent delete that, just press shift delete in the keyboard. It will be permanent deleted from your system. Now next is sort, view, and these three dots. Firstly, it's sort, means we can sort these all folders according to name. Date modify means we have opened the folder, so it will be seen that the person has modified. So it will just if it here is ascending, it will show it at the top. If here is descending, it will show it at the last. You know, ascending descending, I think if you are in fourth also, you must know this. If you don't, just go to my second channel. Okay, now type means what the type is. It's a file, is a folder, or anything, and more. These are the more types of these only you can see here. And next is ascending descending, means By clicking here only, you can just do it. See, next is group by. Means we just create the group. You just name. It will create the group with the alphabets like E to H I P Q Z. Okay. If I just click group by date modified, means on which date I modified it. Like just opened it, I just opened it, and I just opened this thing over here. But it's enough. It must. Oh, I just didn't edit it over there. It's okay. In Visort, group by type, compressive folder, file folder. If I add here new shortcut over here, it will just show it in shortcut. And if we just access database, it will just show it. I think now you got it how it's work. Hmm. Then I'll just go to sort group by size. Means what the size is unspecified. You know, folder size is not specified. You also know it. But how can just we just click over here and then press Alt and Enter and size on disks. It's same. You can see, but directly it just didn't. We can't see it. That's why it's saying unspecified. And then date created on which date we had created it today, last month, earlier this year. Okay, why earlier this year? I don't know because I just created it some last month only. Just skip that. Now author category title tag none. Default it's none, but you can change it. Okay. Now if we just go to view, these are the some as large, medium. And small are like very small, and then list it's you can see, but not good. But we didn't get any information about that. And titles, nothing information we got. Content, it's like a don't good look. That's why I just look. I just like these details. It's your choice. You can choose anything. I don't. I am don't forcing you to choose details only. I choose details. No. Detail in preview panel. You just click on preview panel and click on access database. Your shortcut. Like I didn't have an image. That's it. Or an image, or we can say about Excel file. If I just create an Excel file, it will say it. So it empty. Yes, you can see, and you can also edit it. I like this thing. No, why? I think no. It will just don't. Okay, okay. It's saying means if we edit it like this, then anyone will just editing. Okay, but I think earlierly when I had the older like I have edited it. Okay, I choose detail panel because it's more convenient. It allow more features like direct open properties, it's etc. And after view, is so navigation panel. It's this panel. It's very important. Why now? No one will be just. And if you don't worry about look, then just turn on this compact view. It will worry a lot about view, like me. Just do turn off this view. Okay. Item checkbox means the this checkbox you seen in my videos, and the file name extensions like .zip, which allow us to like just edit the extension, like we just can create a text document to any other file, Excel document, etc. If it can be converted, and then hidden items, I just nothing like if you just turn off the hidden item, And if I just click over here and then just go to properties, okay, not shortcut, I just go to properties, hidden appliances do okay. It's just, and we just, if we in view show hidden items, it will show that, okay, it's hidden items. And if we just click over here, undo, pin to quick access, this is quick access. For this thing I am going to show you this works on this, like, and after it select all, it will just select all, and then select none. If we just selected anything, it will just select none. And invert selection, I do like it. Like I just selected this, this, and this, and then this, and this. Oh, I hate these things. And then this. Okay, it's okay. Now if we just go here and just do invert selection, boom, it's pink. And it's very important. You just need to save your time. And properties, we can just go to this open folder properties, not the selected item properties. Okay, you can see a decoding folder. Uh, and as options, the same thing. And here if we go to view files and folders, always show icons, you can just read them. And if you have any doubt, just mail me from my website. Okay, a link is in the description of my website. You can just go to contact us page. Okay, now the main thing, I think your local disease also get filled because of these things. Desktop, document, pictures, music. I know we can change desktop and cycle bin, but we can change other things. How? Yes, I am gonna tell you. How can we just do that? So, do what you guys do what this local disease. Just go in your other hard drive or else then local disk, create a new folder over there and just name anything just you want, and then press alt and enter for opening properties in for of your folder, that folder. After that, just do it, go to customize section, then change icon. After saying, you can took any item, any, there are a lot many options, a lot many. You can choose anything, like I just choose this. You can choose anything, like I have choose this tree, garbage, books. There in desktop I just choose this icon of looking like a recycle bin. There was a same icon like this, but I didn't choose that because if I name that recycle bin, it just get confused. Okay, that's why I just didn't done that. Where is that new folder? You can see. And if we just right click right click over here and just click on pin to quick access, then just pin here, and then just downloads, you can name it downloads. And then in your browser I just use comet. You can just also add the download default download folder, like default downloads folder link, you can change it over there. You can take the documentation help, or you can search, there are a lot many videos on YouTube. You just do by that, how to just change the default downloads folder in any browser. You can just do that, or you just, like, this is comet, I just click plus here, and then I just go to settings. It's a chromium based so it's very simple to handle. And downloads, you can change the location from here. This is same in, I think, all the browsers. You can go over there and just do that. Okay, now it all things are done. No, What we had done? Change the icon, pin here, a thing is left. You just click over here and just click to pin to start. This folder will be literally pin here. You can see it here. I have just pinned that here. You can also pin any folder over here. No, just with a different icon like this is thing. And if I just click over here and a bit to start, and then just go over here, you can see not with just different icon. But I didn't want. You just create that now. I want that this folder, so I had pin it. If you want any other folder, you just pin that. So this much. If you have any doubt, just go and then just do mail to me on my ID, or you can just go and then what I was saying, just do and contact me from my website. The link of my website is in the description box. Go. But before going, please like and subscribe the video. Bye bye. Tata. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.